The LIA123 team built the CAAmaleão, an application with alternative and argumentative communication systems. First, we made the prototype on Figma to organize the app. Then, it was developed in JavaScript using the React Native front-end library. This application is presented in 7 screens, where 3 of them each the user authentication with the Firebase tool provided by Google, and the rest corresponds to the function. The text-to-speech screen has an input area that receives what the user types and stores it in a state-scaled message. Also, it has a selected list component where the user can select the language for the voice, which is stored in a state object called selected. When the green button is clicked, the speak function provided by Expo Speech API is called and gets the values of message and selected as parameters and transmits the audio based on them.
The picture communication screen is a communication board that presents a medium of alternative and argumentative communication based on standardized figures from the ARASAC system, used to form a sentence to be converted into audio, which can also be edited by the user. By clicking on the start button, the phrase is saved in favorites, and by clicking on the sound button, it is played back in audio. Regarding the coding of this screen, the touchable opacity function configures the image individually. When they are selected, their values are sent to an array and then to text input, where the text is formed. Here is used the same function speak from the text-to-speech screen.
However, all functionalities in this screen works, but not properly to the final user. Favorite phrases is a tab with ready-made phrases previously saved by the user, which can be quickly transmitted to audio in different situations, mainly emergencies. To furthermore improve our app, we see the opportunity to implement different kinds of artificial intelligence. The first one can optimize the sentence generated by the figures on the communication boards, making the communication more complex. And the second one will be able to differ facial expressions and explain to the user what they mean. Then, the app will be released for public testing.